everyone! Today we're going to unbox this package from China, and this is our new saddle for our road bike right here. I want to show you. This is our setup ngayon sa Dayan. We're going to unbox this and let's see kung maganda pa to. So samahan niyo ako sa pag-unbox na to. Let's go! Let's unbox this package. Riot carbon saddle. Ito yung kukunin natin. This is the box itself. And as you can see, ganda na box niya. Inspire, encourage. Ayan. And yung saddle mismo is nasa loob na nung mismong lalagyanan. And ito na yung mismong saddle. Parang ano din siya, guys. Yung texture niya is medyo parang a little bit of sandy. I don't know kung anong tawag dyan. Pero parang mabuhangin yung part na to. Para siguro kumapit yung mismong seat post natin to the saddle itself. Yung texture niya is very 3D printed. And ito is malambot. Dito sa part na to medyo matigas ng onte. Ito yung pinaka-saddle. So, that's it. So, ito yung difference ng older saddle natin sa newer saddle natin. Ito yung gamit natin na S-Works. Di hamak na malaki yung gaan nung nito kasi nga carbon siya. And dito medyo mabigat. So that's it. Tapos natin ikabit sa ating road bike. Shish! That's it, guys. Nakabitan natin yung ating new RYET saddle and it feels good sa ating bike and ganyan siya ang itsura niya ngayon. Ayan. I don't know kung nakatungo pa siya pero we'll adjust it na lang habang nira-ride natin siya. Ito na siya ngayon. So that's it. We're happy for this bike. That's it, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed that video kahit medyo mabilis lang siya. So try natin itong gamitin later. Paalam sa inyo lahat. Bye-bye mga kapag-jack.